Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can manage app notifications on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Notifications and Control Center. After that, tap on App Notifications and select an app from which you want to disable them, in my case Gmail. So now when I click on this switcher next to it, all notifications from Gmail are blocked. In order to enable them, click on the same, now grey one. You can also just tap on one of your apps over here and switch on or off app notifications by clicking on this switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!